Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explore shapes and lines in Decktopus. These elements can help you enhance your slides by adding structure, emphasis, and visual appeal. Let's dive in. Shapes and lines are essential for creating well-organized and visually appealing slides. Adding shapes and lines in Decktopus is super simple. Go to the Shapes and Lines section from the editing panel and choose from the vast library. With just a few clicks, you can instantly enhance your slide design. Once it's added, you can customize it to fit your design. You can change its color to match your theme, add a shadow, or duplicate it to maintain consistency across slides. You can also adjust the border thickness and transparency for subtle design effects. Additionally, you can modify an image's mask to create unique visual effects and better integrate it with your slide's layout. Experiment with different styles to see what works best for your presentation. Try using different mask shapes, such as circles or abstract forms, to make images blend seamlessly with your design. And that's how you can use shapes and lines in Decktopus to enhance your presentations. Enjoy Decktopus and happy presenting!